Hi everyone. Meron tayong problem dito na galing sa integral calculus, which is area bounded. What is the area bounded by the parabola x squared is equals to 8y and its latus rectum? So we have steps here in solving area bounded, and ito yung nagamit kong steps during our review. So first, graph the given. Second, identify the strip to be used. But take note na when choosing strip na gagamitin natin is that dapat yung isang end touches only one curve, and yung isang end naman only touches one curve but different na dun sa nauna. Third, use the formula integral of quantity x right minus x left dy for horizontal strip and integral of quantity y upper minus y down dx for vertical strip. Fourth, find the limits. And fifth, solve the integral. First step na gagawin natin is to graph. And we know na this is a parabola. This is a parabola. And we have an equations for parabola, which is kapag ang parabola natin opens upward or downward, yung formula natin dito is quantity x minus h squared is equals to positive negative 4a quantity y minus k. And then, meron naman tayong opening right or left. Formula natin dito ay y minus k squared is equals to positive negative 4a x minus h, where h and k is the center of the parabola. A naman dito is yung layo ng focus sa center. And yung positive naman dito na sign is opening up and right. And kapag negative naman is opening down or left. Since ito yung kahawig ng equation na given natin, meaning opening upward siya. Mali, ganito yung graph natin. Ganyan yung graph natin. Sa x squared is equals to 8y. And solving for the latus rectum, ito pala yung latus rectum natin, yung 4a. Yeah, latus rectum natin here is 4a. Pero recall natin na ang latus rectum is that ito yung line na nagpa-pass through sa ating focus. And perpendicular siya sa axis ng parabola. And tanda natin si A is ito yung layo ng focus sa center ng parabola. So yung latus rectum natin is 8 equals to 4A. And then, A natin din ngayon here is 2. So, meaning, from the center, 0, 0, yung focus natin na merong na nasa 0, 2. Ngayon, ang latus rectum natin ay ito. And ito na yung area bounded natin. Ngayon, so selecting strip, yung gagamitin nating strip. Sabi ko kanina, it only touches one curve, isang end. Then dapat yung isang end na different curve naman na touch niya. Kaya mainam na gamitin dito is the horizontal strip. I mean vertical strip. So, bakit vertical strip? Kasi pag ginamit mo yung horizontal, ang curve lang na natatouch niya is the parabola. Diba? Fourth step, third step, gagamitin nating formula is y upper minus y down. So, bali, paghanap daw natin ng area, is equals to the integral of y upper minus y down dx. So, si y upper natin dito ay equal siya sa, titignan natin, equal siya sa 2. Then, paano naman si y down? Si y down, papansin nyo, it touches the parabola. And we have the equation na x squared is equals to 8y. Then, kung arrange natin to, bali ngayon, y is equals to x squared over 8. Kaya si y down natin is x squared over 8. So, meron na tayo formula ng area bounded. 2 minus x squared over 8 dx. Ngayon, kulang pa tayo ng limits. And to find the limits, pwede lang natin equate si y upper. Ito rin, natutunan ko rin to sa review. Y upper equals to y down. So, si y upper is 2 is equals to x squared over 8. And then, arrange natin. Bali 16 is equals to x squared. Kaya yung kukunin natin yung square root of both sides, x is equals to, so x1 natin is negative 4 and x2 is equals to positive 4. Kaya yung limit natin is from negative 4 to positive 4. Kaya yung area now will be integral of 2 minus alpha x squared over 8 from negative 4 to 4. So, ang answer is 32 over 3 or 10.67 0.67 units squared. Kasi nga area. Ito yung final answer natin. Okay, sana may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat po sa panonood.